Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. Today we are making some DIY gold coins with some Oreos. I think that these are so cute. I saw this idea on Pinterest and I'm like, I need to show you guys this because this is so cool and it's perfect for St. Patrick's Day because you can use it in like any recipe that you want. So yeah, let's get started. So first you just want to pop some Oreos on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And then I have this Wilton Gold Color Spray. So you actually can't get this in Canada. And I had to order on Amazon through like a third-party seller. It was like $35, which I think in the States it isn't anywhere close to that, but this video needed to happen, so I was happy to spend it. But basically, Wilton makes these little sprays, and they are in so many different colors, and they have like metallic ones as well. So we're using gold today, but if you want different colored coins, you can use any other color spray that you like. I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to pick it up yourself. I'll have the American link so you're not spending $35 on the spray, but anyway. Then just spray the top of the Oreos and the sides of the Oreos with the gold color spray. And then wait like a couple minutes just for it to dry, and then flip them over and repeat on the opposite side, and you are done. So seriously, this is like the easiest thing, which is why it's going up on a Tuesday. And yeah, I'm so excited. I hope that you guys like this little tip. If you have any other like ingredients or recipes that you'd like me to make like little short tip like videos on, leave them in the comments down below. I would love to hear them and like make them for you. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for an on the video. Bye!